Tom Bumgardner, owner and operator of Bumgardner Land and Cattle Company, is enjoying his dry, clean pens this summer. An unusually wet Nebraskan spring, 20 inches in 2 months, has turned many Cornhuskers' pens to slop. But because of his hard work and waste handling process involving the Brown Bear PTO unit, Tom has managed to beat the rain and maintain dry pens. The process? Composting.
Well, after various experiments, we've found that the best way is we stockpile, haul it out in the stockpile with a dump truck, and then take a loader and make windrows, and then compost it out in a compost site.
By composting out his manure, Tom has transformed his pen slop into a valuable organic fertilizer for his 1,000 acres of irrigated corn. This year, Tom is looking to save about 100 pounds of nitrogen per acre, which is a savings of around $30 per acre in relation to current commercial nitrogen prices. Besides the nitrogen, phosphorus, and potash nutrients in compost, soil porosity, increased humus, and numerous secondary nutrients are all advantages enjoyed from compost.
There's some knowledgeable people around now that are gaining information about the advantages of compost and what it does for the soil texture. And there's also been some interest in growing like organic crops where they cannot use any commercial fertilizers.
Clean pens for your cattle and a quality finished compost product, both made possible for smaller feedlots by the Brown Bear PTO unit. Attach the PTO to your Ford Bi-Directional tractor like Tom, or any other tractor with a creeper gear, and you will be amazed at how fast your pens come around. How does the Brown Bear PTO work? The pulverizing, mixing action of the paddle auger aerates 100% of the material. This action supplies the oxygen needed to quicken drying and initiate the composting cycle. Composting preserves nitrogen, increases ease of spreadability, kills bacteria and parasites, tape and roundworm for example, and it kills the germination of weed seeds through heat and moisture cycles. Manure can also be dried for improved spreadability in land applications. The benefits of the Brown Bear PTO unit for small feedlot owners include quick formation of clean, dry pens, a reduction in hauling costs. Quick hitch hydraulic couplers turn any farm tractor with a creeper gear into a composting machine in a matter of minutes. Windrows are formed by the unit itself. Alleyways between windrows are not required with this machine, so there is a great reduction in space requirements. Unit works on rough, unprepared surfaces. Rapid handling rate exposes 100% of the material to oxygen immediately, so that noxious odors can be absorbed. Low maintenance with long life contact parts, and increased rate of gain due to cattle comfort.
We know that when we have cleaner pans that our cattle are gaining better and we're more efficient.
For additional information on how the Brown Bear PTO